Hey guys, I am on with Sweet Happy Meal, and boy, does this box weigh a ton. It's from Susan House. Hi, Susan. Thank you. It's a Mary Engelbrecht card. Look at that envelope. Look at this side of the envelope. Home for the holiday. Isn't that sweet? I just had friends over that I used to work with. It's always good to hear how they're struggling. I feel bad for them, but it reinforces why I did what I did. Retiring earlier than I had planned. But oh my gosh, we had such a good time. Seeing them was wonderful. So there's this, and then she wrote a sweet note, so thank you. And this thing is, it's stuffed. I'm up in my... If there's ever an earthquake up here at my house, I'm screwed. I'm like in my house. I brought in a pole lamp that I had downstairs because maybe the lighting will be better. Because, like I said, the lights, they're way over there. It's like, eh. So let's see what she's got for me in here. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Eeyore socks. Oh my gosh. I love the Eeyores. Oh, so cute. What else? Oh my gosh. Winnie the Pooh. Oh, you guys spoil me so much. Oh, wow. She said some are from Walmart. Some things are from... This must be Eeyore. Is this Eeyore? Yeah, this is Eeyore. Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh. I haven't seen any of this stuff. Cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at Piglet. Isn't he cute? Oh my gosh. You guys. Susan, this is too much. Oh. I'm telling you guys, this thing is chock full. Oh, and Winnie the Pooh. Oh, those are my favorite, of course. I love my Pooh Bear. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, these are nice for like junk journaling. I think they're handkerchiefs, maybe. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at the print on that. Beautiful. Oh, and thrift store. She said thrift stores too. So there's that one. And then this one. Oh, these are gorgeous. So that's my goal, is in the new year after Christmas is over, I can start focusing on junk journaling and kind of doing that and less shopping. We all say that though. You know, I say this every year, but I'm really hoping because, yeah. Anywho. Oh, look at the gnome ribbon. Cute. But yeah, it was so fun to have the gals over. Oh, this is wrapped. Oh my gosh, she made me a journal in this nice pink material. But look at this. I've got the big box on my lap, so I keep turning. Oh my gosh. Look at the... Oh, so sweet. A little pen. Uh-oh. There's this. Cute. And Piglet. And then it's tied. This pretty ribbon. Oh my gosh, look at, she sewed this. Oh my gosh. Susan, the talent of people out there is just amazing. I love the letters. She must have glued those down. Look at that stitching on the corners. Oh, what an inspiration. Yummy. Oh, look at this. Oh, Susan, this is just gorgeous. A honey sort of day. And then it's got all kinds of little tucks in there, tuck spot. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. So she put stickers and she stamped. Wow. A nice journaling book. So every once in a while there's something. Look at this. You guys are so talented. Susan, this is just gorgeous. I can't believe you shared this with me. This is just a keepsake. Oh my god. Oh, look at the Pooh Bear. Oh my goodness. Oh, a little page marker with Piglet. Is that not? There we go. Wow. Oh, and Pooh's on the other side. Just Oh my gosh, look at this. This is a great idea. So she took what must be a journal and just every once in a while put some things in there. Oh, that's perfect. You know, stickers and things and paper clips. Wow. Oh, look at that. Is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this is so, what a keepsake. What a treasure. Look at this. Look at the back. Where'd you get that material? Susan, this is just gorgeous. And look at the inside of the back cover and the front cover. Look at this. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Wow. That is a treasure. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, she did me a cut up. It says Grandma. Don't worry, be happy. Just chock full of goodness. Wow. Stickers and stickers and stickers. Oh my. Okay. Oh, these are cool. Look at this. Journey. They liked their little memo pads. I made them today, my friends. Poker, lucky winner. Cute. Cute, cute, and more cute. Ooh, I like these. Oh, wow. I like these. Well, I like it all, but, I mean, in here's... I'm not going to go through all of it, you guys, because I am not kidding you. Susan, what the heck? Look at this. These are so cute. Sorry for the glare. Creatology. 2 of those. Oh, no, 3. 4 of those. No, 5. Good lordy. Enough to share. Oh, my gosh. Oh, I'm going to put that in my little box of little eraser things that I have for the girls to play with when they're over. Shaped erasers, yes. Okay, what else have we got? Oh my... You guys always make me want to cry. That thing keeps... I moved my thing. Anyway. Look at this, you guys. She said she made me a gnome. It's a Winnie the Pooh gnome. Where on earth did you come up with this gorgeous, adorable idea? This is just, it's got, oh my gosh, and it's got Winnie the Pooh sock on the body. Oh, Lordy bee. This is adorable. Look at the little ears and the bumblebee. Oh, Susan, what a treasure. Oh my gosh. And it was wrapped in another nice cloth. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, more socks. Oh my god. Little Winnie the Pooh. Let's see. Oh. Scissors. Cool. Wow. Mondo Llama. Star beads. Oh, fun. Oh, I never have gotten these, I don't think. Wooden angels. Very cool. Oh, more scissors. Perfect. Thank you. Wow. So, yeah, no, they were all so tired. It felt so good to treat them to my friends to a nice day. I just made soup and salad, but, you know, they liked it. Oh, this is cute. So, I think, Susan, did you decorate this, too? Oh my gosh. Oh, and it's chock full of... Wow, Susan. This is just crazy. Oh my gosh. Monogram sticky notes. There's all kinds of goodies in here. This is like Christmas. Let's see. Oh, good. Books for my girlies, especially Vienna. Guess how much I love you. Oh, look at this. Oh, I love it. Oh, no. A Winnie the Pooh book? Why don't things fall up? Oh, I think I remember this story. Gravity. Seems like that was in the... Maybe not. Maybe this is just... Oh my gosh, look at the graphics in this. Beautiful. Okay, I'm not even halfway through this box. Oh, crayons. I'm always getting crayons for my girls. Thank you. They will love that. Oh my gosh. Oh, a scrap pack. Oh, neat. Thank thank you. I think these are from, this brand is from Walmart. Is that Color Box? No, American Crafts. Doesn't matter. Little blocks. Perfect. Man, you got everything in here. Oh, those are cool. Starfish. Ooh, another book. Music is everywhere, so I can add these to my children library downstairs. Oh, this is cute. Ooh, for my January snowman. My one friend goes, your house is like the inside of a Hallmark card. I go, well, thank you. Oh, you shared? Where on earth did you get these? Look at this. This is so cute. Oh, you guys. Oh, dies. Look at this. Try not to take too long, but it's just a bottomless pit. Oh, cute. So I can put this with my Halloween stash in autumn. I have a bag in my closet over there of patriotic. Thank you. Oh, bee. Oh my gosh, look at this honeycomb. Margot's, you really did clean up. She stayed a little later. I go, yeah, well, just don't look in my garage or upstairs now. Oh, metal words. Thankful, harvest, and welcome. I don't think I've gotten those yet. I would like to do some alcohol inking on. I've just got to start doing more crafting less. Oh my lord. Isn't this cute? They're wall stickers. Oh my gosh. And there's Winnie the Pooh. Wow. This is adorable. Look at the big Pooh bears. Oh my gosh. I might have to put those on my closet doors. I'm looking at them, sorry. It's like you can see it. No. Little sailboat. Ooh, I know somebody, my son's father-in-law loves to fish. This would make a great card for him. Oh, this is cool. Look at this, you guys. It's like a acrylic. Wow. Oh, fishing. Okay, I need to make him a card anyway before I go on my trip. So there you go. So I will be gone all of Christmas week. So you will not hear. Oh my gosh. What is this from? I've never seen these before. Look at these, all these acrylics. These are so cool. Wow. Where did you get... Looks to me like you're... Oh. Oh. Micro TV's Winnie the Pooh. Oh my gosh. Susan, where the heck did you find all this? Oh, cute colors and first words. Cute, cute, cute. Seeing, I gotta do these journals I keep talking about. She even has a Winnie the Pooh. Where have you had a collection, Susan, of Winnie the Pooh, and you're giving it to me? My gosh. You sure you don't want to keep all this stuff? Oh my gosh, look at this. Gnome mold. I've done the air clay. I've never tried resin. Oh, this is cute. Las Vegas. I've never been to Las Vegas. I've been to Reno. Okay, let's see here. Starfish. Whoops. Oh, these are cool. Oh, herbs. Stamps. Very cool. Susan, this is absolutely beyond. And there's books. Citrus river. Oh, and another pair of scissors. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Very cool. All right. And more. Oh, I might have to sneak this one in. Peter Rabbit's Touch and Feel book. Vienna's right at the perfect age. Look at his little tail sticking out. She will love this. And it's got the basket. Oh, I love Peter Rabbit. Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah. I'm sneaking this in my suitcase. Well, not sneaking it, but, you know, fitting it in. I usually just do carry-on when I fly. So, yeah. I'll try not to take too much. I'm going to stamp out some images because I left Pen's alcohol marker set there that I can use. Oh, my gosh. This is a sweet, sweet book. But no, there's more. Holy mackerel. Oh, boo to you, Winnie the Pooh. Yeah, that is so cute. Boo to you. Go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is adorable. Another Winnie the Pooh. Where did you get all these Winnie the Pooh books? Bedtime stories. Oh, look it. I can copy these images. This makes me want to have a classroom again because this would be such a cute set to have all the Winnie the Pooh stuff in my classroom. I used to do Goofy. Surprise. Goofy's my favorite. Look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh. Susan, you have outdone yourself and spoiled me way, 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 way too much. This is unbelievable. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, look at Winnie the Pooh. Isn't that sweet? Yep, those are, I think it might work. I have that kind of closet where it has like cutouts or something, inlays on it, so I don't know if it'll work or not. But we will try, we'll try. Come on over and we can all put it together. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so I've kind of got a busy week, as we all do. Holidays are coming. So, but I did work on a card that I think it's what somebody was referring to. I really apologize. I have a terrible memory and I have so many people comment and I love it. Don't ever think I don't. But I don't remember who asked, or I'm not sure what they were asking. So I'll do my best. But I think somebody was wanting me to share. Jeez. This is a whole bunch of my Christmas. Anywho, like it looks like a postage stamp thing. So it has a grid on it. So I did a few cards with that. So I'll be sharing that soon. Susan, thank you. You spoiled me. I appreciate it. All right, you guys, thanks for joining me, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.